नमस्कार। आपके जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि मेरी तरफ से आपके जन्मदिन के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। आप अच्छी तरह से फले फूले। Okay, I can't do this. Sorry.
Hi, bro.
Hi, Reva.
Hey.
Hi, Reva.
Hi, Rebecca.
Hi Riva.
Hi, Reva.
Hi, Reva.
Hi, my German Baveja.
Hi, Reva.
Hi, Reva.
Hello, Reva.
Hey, love.
Hi Reva.
Hey, Reva.
I just want to wish you the happiest birthday ever. It's close to midnight. I still have a couple of hours of work to go.
Oh, happy birthday. I totally tried waking Shri up for this, but I failed miserably.
Happy birthday.
Anyway, have fun. Happy birthday to Mama too.
I just wanted to drop by and quickly say Otanjobi omedetou gozaimasu. A very, very happy birthday to you.
But I have been coerced into making this video. And I've only agreed to it because I love you so much and I want you to be the happiest person ever.
I cannot believe that we've known each other for 5 years. Honestly, the realization just dawned upon me that we've known each other for 5 years. Reva, we've known each other for 5 years. How have we tolerated each other for this long?
Happy birthday to my first and newest friend in 2020. I'm so glad we met and that we got to dance our hearts out as we enter into this new year. I hope you're well. I hope you're happy.
I am so fortunate to have a best friend like you, who is so warm, so empathetic, so compassionate, but also quite strict when I have lost my way.
I'm not gonna start this video by cracking an age-related joke because I really feel bad about it.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday. May you have a great day and a great year ahead today.
Happy birthday. I hope you're doing really, really well. I feel like it's been forever since I last saw you, and our plan to go shopping for junk jewelry is long overdue. So I really hope that post lockdown we do find the time to meet up and go on the shopping spree.
A very happy birthday to you. I can't believe that I'm not there in person to hug you and wish you, but I guess virtual wishes will do for now. But I will be coming for my treat when the lockdown ends.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Hope this year brings you lots and lots of joy and a lot of success.
Happy birthday. I hope you're having a good time despite being stuck under lockdown. And I'm so sorry you can't have cakes or brownies, but anyway, there is time for that.
And I really adore you and I wish you the most amazing year, and we hope to meet you soon and catch up. It's just been too long.
Besides that, I really hope you have a wonderful day today. I've been seeing all the wonderful work that you're doing with the Broke Bibliophiles community, and I think it's really incredible, and I hope you get to read your favorite books today. And since I know you share my love and joy for our man Lin, I thought I'd read you one of my favorite quotes from his book. So here goes. A fervent hope that you get every moment you need tonight. A moment of rest, a moment of grace, a moment of epiphany, a moment to plan. A moment entirely yours and no one else's.
And I will also bring some very, very nice books for you to read. And we will also go to the Durga Puja again so that you can dance the Dhunuchi Nach with all of my friends, and I will take a lot more photographs of you doing so this time.
Happy birthday. Thanks for being my Grammarly and spell check and helping me correctly pronounce the name of German brands, Volkswagen. I love to read your poems. And by the way, your pizza treat is pending. So, right after the lockdown, what say? Pizza by the Bay, Marine Drive. Sounds cool.
And I wish you all the happiness and all the success and all the prosperity and all the love in the world for you. And may you achieve all your dreams and your aspirations. I cannot wait for you to come to Germany so we can be together and travel, have fun, grow, learn.
Happy birthday, Reva. Many happy returns of the day to you. I hope this goes really well for you because I know I also had a lockdown birthday, and I hope this goes as great for you as it possibly can. And I hope you're staying safe, and I hope that you're also able to work on your PhD a little bit more.
Defend our theses finally and become the first generation PhDs of our family. I'm so proud of you. You're an amazing person. You're kind, you're smart, you're intuitive, and the field of work that you do is so important.
Take some time out for yourself and make something really sugary, sweet, and lovely for yourself because you deserve it.
Happy birthday! I love you and I hope you have a great day ahead. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Reva. Happy birthday to you.
Anyway, I hope you have a fantastic day regardless of this lockdown. And I promise you, as soon as this lockdown is done, we have to go out and party, okay? It's non-negotiable. We have to do it.
I think after this lockdown ends, we must go for a walk at Juhu Beach like the old days. Or better still, we can have Coca-Cola sitting inside Juhu Beach Gardens.
Happy birthday, Reva! May you have the best year ever, at least going forward. I love you. Yow!
All I'm gonna say is happy birthday. I miss you so much, and you know that. I mean, I tell you every day, not every day, so every week, every month. Well, that just says that we don't talk enough. So you better call me.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope तुम इस दिल्ली वाले कार्टून को भूल नहीं गई हो. Just turning a cartoon character because you will see me like that. And many happy returns of the day. Hope you're very happy. Hope everything is safe and sound at your place.
Also, if you're wondering why I have Japanese written on my face, it's because it says Oishi dayo, and you're a Japanese teacher and I'm a Japanese student, and you're a tasty treat who makes tasty treats. So,
Though I already sang it to you, I'm still going on and on. Happy birthday, my dear Ava. Happy birthday to you.
Many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a day filled with love and laughter.
Happy birthday, Reva. Hope you're doing well.
And I hope you remember this, which I still use. Thank you, and a very happy birthday to you. I hope you enjoy and you're safe. And let's meet soon.
Thank you for being my brain when I can't think. Thank you for being my heart when I don't feel any empathy. Thank you for being my hope when I lose hope. And thank you so much for being with me whenever I have needed you. Wish you a very happy birthday, Reva. I am so lucky to have you in my life. Thank you for bearing with me for all these years.
And looking forward to see you very soon. दिल्ली में नहीं, anyhow, लुधियाना में या फिर पंचकुला में. आजकल मैं पंचकुला posted हूँ.
And I'm like, look at my face, man. I'm dead, but I love you.
Love you, girl. And I miss you. I loved our sleepover and I want to do it again. I hope we can meet soon.
But on a different note, love you. Miss you so much. Okay, that was really bad. I'm not gonna do that again. But all I'm gonna do again is wish you
Happy birthday. All the best to you and your family.
Hope we get to meet very soon. Enjoy your birthday.
Wishing you all the very best and all the happiness in the world.
And sending a lot of love your way. We definitely should meet super soon.
And I'm super, super, super proud of you. May you achieve whatever you aspire for. And I cannot wait for you to come here. Come here soon and have a great day today.
But just have a great day, and kudos to Abhinav for putting this together for you.
happy birthday. I'm sorry with all these profanities. You won't be able to show this to your parents unless they're okay with it. I mean, your parents are cool, so I love them anyway. So, hope to see you soon. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Reva. Lots and lots and lots of love, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
And be happy, stay happy. Bye.
So happy birthday. Big, big, big hug to you. Bye.
Hey, bye, love.
But anyway, have a great time. Happy birthday. Bye.
So take care and have a wonderful birthday.
Bye.